Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am here to do an online income report for the month of August. So let's go ahead and get started. So from YouTube, aka the Google AdSense program, I was paid a whopping $1,446.14, which is on the higher end of things. The cool thing is that we actually transferred that automatically to savings, so that was a cool situation because that's something that we could have been doing, but we weren't really setting up our bills so that that could actually happen. But basically all it takes is for us to get a little ahead on our bills or to have a 3-paycheck month, and that pretty much, well, not a 3-paycheck month, a 5-paycheck month technically, and that is what we are able to do. So $1,446.14 from the Google AdSense program, aka YouTube. And so all of the ads that you have seen on my channel so far, well, that was technically from the month of July. In the month of July, and your guys is watching them and clicking on them and whatever else took place, I was able to earn and be paid $1,446.14, and this was earned in July but paid to me in August. So I'm actually sharing with you guys what I was paid, not really what I earned, because a lot of what I earned will come to me in September. So moving on to Chime, and as for YouTube, I would consider that to be a good month. For Chime, I was paid $220. I would consider that to be a good month. And I'm not going to go into detail about every single one of these sources. Refer to my my video from July, my July online income report, which I will try to link up here, and that will tell you all that you need to know. So some months I go into detail, other times I just kind of like, you know, skip on by. So anyway, moving on to ShareASale. ShareASale, interestingly enough, for the first time in, I guess maybe since the beginning of this year, or maybe last year is when I signed up for ShareASale. For the first time, I actually did not earn anything. I am on track to earn about $87, which will be paid in August. No, which will be paid in September. But for this month, I actually was not paid any money. Moving on to coaching, I had no coaching sessions this month, therefore earned no money, so that is $0. For the Amazon affiliate program, I was paid $74.53, and that was dramatic, but what I was going to say is that's money that I earned 2 months ago, so that's money from June of 2019. Next, we have Etsy. So from Etsy, I earned $1,219.45, and this is after fees and all of that, but before taxes. And Etsy, some months Etsy goes down because of how the paychecks fall. So like in September, I'll have 5 paychecks. So essentially, it'll kind of all even itself out, if that makes sense. So for Etsy, I would consider this to be a not so good month. A good month would look about like 2,000, or anything beyond 2,000 is an excellent month. So I would not consider it to be a great month or even a good month on Etsy. So from my blog that is not monetized, of course, I earn $0. From AWin, I earn $0. From from MagicLinks, I earn $0. Paid promotions, I earn $0. However, I am in the process of trying to negotiate something right now, so that might be a thing for September. But as of right now, it's not a thing. Sponsorships, $0. So I guess it might be, I don't know, they're kind of very similar. So that, thinking about what I'm negotiating, that would probably be, I always try to do like a mention and not a sponsored video, because I will do a sponsored video, no problem. It just depends on what it's for, if that makes sense. So Affiliately is my newest income source, and that is it's the same as like MagicLinks, AWin, ShareASale. And so I have earned money, but I won't be paid that money, I don't believe, until September. So it's my first month earning money through Affiliately. So again, I'll probably be paid that in September. So that's a whole thing. So So for workshops, I was technically paid $1,127.29. And this is the same for speaking engagement. So any type of workshop, speaking engagement, anything like that. And then the last one would be referrals. So I actually earned $110 in referrals. So YouTube, Chime, workshops as the affiliate. Oops. Oh no, we got it all. Okay, let's add up this situation here. So 144,614 plus 220 plus 74.53. Oh man. I do know the little trick. I don't know if you know this, but there's a trick. But I don't know what happened there. 144,614 plus 220 plus 74.53 plus 121945 plus 12729 plus 110. So let's see what we did last month. Okay, so we did about $1,000 more on Etsy. We also had some coaching money and more referrals. Did I say that? I don't know if I just said that. So we definitely did way more last month. But for this month, our total is $3,197.41. So that is good. Mainly because, well, it really didn't make a difference, if I'm being honest, because this August, well, yeah, it didn't make a difference at all because August was a 3-paycheck month for me. And last month was a 3-paycheck month for my husband. So while our income, our online income is down, I guess I can't really tell because we've done the same amount of spending and the same amount of saving due to the 3-paycheck month. So I mean, basically, if my bad months can be in August and January or July or December, that would be superb because that's when my husband and I, like, either of us gets an extra income. So hopefully that can be a trend that the bad months will be December, January, July, or August, because it won't really mess with our spending or our saving or our paying down debt a whole lot. So that is pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to come on here and share with you guys all of the income sources, even though I feel like we need to notate that no money was earned for any of these sources. Some months they are, that's why I leave them on here, just like our budget. So anyway, that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.